To update Google Chrome in Windows 7, follow these steps. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the window, then click on Help and then About Google Chrome. The About Google Chrome window will open and Chrome will check for updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading automatically. When the download is complete, click on Restart to apply the update. If you don't see the option to update, it's possible that you are already using the latest version of Chrome. In this case, you don't need to do anything. Alternatively, you can also download the latest version of Google Chrome from the official website and install it manually. Go to https://www.google.com/chrome/ in your web browser. Click on Download Chrome. Click on Accept and Install to download the setup file. When the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the prompts to install the latest version of Chrome. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.